Okay, let's solve the question number 7. So this quadratic function is written in this form, fx equals x plus p and x minus q. Then if we draw this quadratic graph, then we should find the x-intercept as when y value equals 0. Then either x plus p equals 0 or x equals q. From here, x equals negative p. So from the question, they are both of them are positive, so that q should be here, negative p should be here. Therefore, p equals 1 and q equals 4. The function has a minimum value at the point C, so that we should find x coordinate. Just x coordinate is enough. Then it's very easy because the minimum point, which is vertex, is in the middle of the x-axis, x-intercept. Since the difference of these two is 5, you can divide it. 5 means 4 minus 1, right? Divided by 2, which make this distance as 5 over 2 each. Then to find the x-coordinate of this one, you can calculate 4 from here, go back 5 over 2, which is 8 over 2 minus 5 over 2 equals 3 over 2. Therefore, this is 3 over 2, which is the x-coordinate of the minimum point C. It's very easy, understand? And then express this one in the form of this one, okay? It's just a change, it's just a switch the order. Don't feel frustrated or don't feel vulnerable or don't feel nervous. Basically, they are the same. If I were you, I'm going to write down in the descending order as it is. So negative x squared minus 6x plus 16, which is descending order from x. Then underline these two terms, separate the x coefficient, which is negative 1, then x squared. Since this one is minus 6x, minus times something is minus 6x means plus 6x. Leave some space, close the bracket, and plus 16. Then divided by 2, which is 3, then square it, which is plus 9 and minus 9. Then minus x squared plus 6x plus 9. Close the bracket. You need to move this minus 9 to the outside by multiplying by minus, which is plus 9. Then plus 16. Equals negative x plus divided by 2, 3, square plus 25. Let's compare with this one, which is p minus. Just simply change the order, x plus q squared plus p, right? Therefore, q equals 3 and p equals 25. This is nothing. It's very easy. I want you to feel this type of question very easy. And then the second question of this one is, hence write down the maximum value of this one. Write down the maximum value of this one. Okay, so let's start from here. Since y equals minus x plus 3 square plus 25, we can write negative 3 comma 25 as its vertex. Please remember, you can change the sign here when you put a vertex, or actually, when I find the coordinate of x of the vertex, I just simplify, think that let's find the value of x which make this bracket 0. This bracket 0, which is negative 3. Then after you make this bracket 0, what it left is y equals 25. So negative 3, 25. Draw on x-axis, draw on y-axis, negative 3 and 25. This one. Since the x square coefficient is negative, it should be in this way, to understand. So this is the maximum point. So maximum value means the value of y, the maximum value of y, which maximum means in this case is the highest point of this graph is 25. Do you understand? Then I am going to erase this. Then the next question is, factorize this one. Okay, let's factorize this one. So negative x squared minus 6x plus 16, always write down in descending orders. Then put negative here, x squared plus 6x minus 16. Then find the two numbers which make 16 by multiplying out each other. And then there should be one positive, one negative, which makes its difference is 6, which is 2 and 8. Understand? 2 and 8. Since plus 6 means it should be big, the bigger number should be positive. Then xx. Then 8x minus 2x is 6x, right? Then write down in this way. So minus x minus 2 and x plus 8 is the answer of its factorization form. Or you can put negatives inside this bracket. So negative x plus 2 and x plus 8, which is 2 minus x times x plus 8. Either one is okay. Then sketch the curve with the equation, stating the values of x where the curve crosses x-axis and then y-intercept. So basically x-intercept and y-intercept. So from here, we can see the x-intercept of this one is 2 minus x equals 0, x plus 8 equals 0. So from here, the x-intercept is either 2 or negative 8. So negative 8 and 2. And again, the coefficient of x squared is negative, so it should be this shape. Then there is a y-axis. The y-axis should be closer to 2. Y-axis and y-intercept is the value when x equals 0, which is 16. This is the answer. So actually, one student approached me to ask Miss Yang, when we write down the quadratic function as y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, is this always the y-intercept? She found out, that students found out by observing the quadratic functions and the y-intercept. But yes, that is very true because the meaning of y-intercept is the value of y when x equals 0. So if you substitute 0 to x, then 0, 0, what it left is only c. So this constant is always y-intercept.